Yeah, perfect. Just like that. We'll lay facing down. Okay. So the main complaint is your lower back, but I'll correct your whole spine because there were misalignments throughout, alright? And that will help to improve your lower back pain also. So let me check your neck. A little correction right here. How did that feel? Shocking. Okay. So far, so good. Now you'll slide down just a little bit on the table. Ooh, yeah, there we go. Good. And then we're going to cross your arms. You'll hold there. I'm going to lift your head. I want you to breathe in and blow out. That's good. Good. How did that feel? It's okay, right? Perfect. Now you're going to lay facing down. So lay on the stomach. Using light pressure. Good. Some more adjustments in there. Good. Okay, now you're going to lay on your right side. You'll turn face this way.
This way.
Yeah, this side. Position the legs here. Arms there. Okay, and then let's get the other side also. So you turn and face this way now. Good. Okay, good. Now you're going to lay on your stomach facing down. So facing down. We're going to correct now the misalignment in the hips. Okay, slide down a little bit for me. Right there. Right there. And we're going to fix the hip position. Okay, I'm going to put the left foot on top of the right foot. You'll hold that position. So keep that foot on top. Move here. Going to take a twist out of the hips. So just relax here. How you doing? Okay?
And
Feeling relaxing. Good. Okay, we're just going to use the percussion massager in that area. Okay, now I want you to sit on the table. You're going to sit up. Yeah, so you face that way. Straight. Just going to push the shoulders back and do a little adjustment here. Right. Right. And focus just on one point straight here. We're just going to do a few more impulses. Sit straight again. Good. How do you feel? Feel okay? Okay, now we're going to set you up for the therapy.